In this lesson, let's take a look how we can create a master catalog, or rather an archival catalog of all the sessions that we have on an external hard drive, or it can be internal drive. It doesn't really matter. So go ahead and open up Capture One. Now, when you open up Capture One, some kind of catalog may come up or a session may come up, whatever you were working in last. But for this lesson, I'll go ahead and create a brand new catalog. And to do so, I can click on File and choose New Catalog. You can also create this catalog from the open window within Capture One, but I'm doing it through File, New Catalog. Name the catalog. I like to name these catalogs as either archival catalog or master archive. I'm going to go ahead and call this master archive. Be mindful as to where you are placing this catalog. So I'll go ahead and click on the little dot button, and I will place this catalog on an external hard drive, which I have named Archive Studio. You can place it wherever you like as long as you know where it is. And I'll go ahead and choose OK. And here is a brand new catalog. Now, I'm not importing images. So I'm not importing images. So make sure you don't click here. What you are going to do is click on File, Import Sessions. Import Sessions. And I'm going to go ahead and navigate to my hard drive, to Photo 5, to Photo 5 Capture One, and here you will have all your sessions. Now, I don't have all the sessions that you have, but you're going to start with session A03, and then you have A04 and 5 and 6 and 7 and so on, and all the different exercises that you might have done. So I'll go ahead and select my A03, my session, click on the session, and choose Import. If I look into my library folder, look what has happened. I now have A03 project box. Then I have a folder, and within that folder, I have my capture folder. These are all the images that are in the capture folder. I have my output folder, which I actually don't have anything in. I have my selects folder that I don't have anything in. I have my session albums, my 5 stars, and my all images. So you see, it transfers everything over. Let's go ahead and import another session, and let's see how that works. File, Import Session. I'll go ahead and select A04, Session, Import. So this is my A04 session. Again, notice it creates a box. It creates a folder for you. Within the folder, I have my capture folder once again. I have my output. Again, I don't have anything in there. And selections, I don't have anything, but I do have my 5-star all images albums. So you should see the organizational structure of exactly the way your hard drive is. I'll go ahead and import a much larger session from a different hard drive that I have. So I'll go there, and I will go into my photo archive and I'll go into a session in my external hard drive. I'll go ahead and click import. This particular session has a lot of images. So once again, here's my bankers box. Here are my session albums. And so on and so on. Here are my shot folders, shot 1, shot 2, light test, because this was a session from a tethering shoot. So here you go. So go ahead and explore your catalog, because now everything is organized in the catalog. And what is nice about the catalog is the fact that you can click on all images and you can type in anything in the search here and you can find anything within your catalog, either by name or keyword. And that is why it's important to keyword everything. That is all in the search. You can also look at your filters, and you will notice that you can search, make sure that you're in all images of the catalog, that is, and then you will be able to search everything from aperture to focal length, keywords, and so on. So if you want to see everything that you have shot with aperture of 2.0, these are the images in this particular catalog that were shot with that, or f8, and so on and so on. This is your searching filter. So this is the step that I take as my final step once I've finished all the work in my session.